How to give Google reviews. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type the product name or service or location. Now tap on the search icon. Now under the place or location, simply tap on reviews. Now select the star you want to give. Now scroll down. Now tap on the star. Now type the review. Now tap on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.